darkness, my old friend, must be in hospital again. I was jumped by this fuck-off Ned, stood on my face and he left me for dead. And he punched me and he kicked me in the bollocks as well. It hurt like hell, hearing the sound of violence. There I was outside the pub, this guy just smacked me in the gob. Then he went for my knackers, got them a couple of crackers. A screen blew murder and I went to hit him back. I'm such a sack. Roll on the sound of violence. I pulled myself up on my knees and said, "Oh, don't hit me, please." He just laughed and punched me some more. My face split as I hit the floor. Then he threw a bottle which I didn't see at all. I broke its fall, just had the sound of an ambulance. When I woke up I felt like shite. All around me I saw white. I asked someone if I was dead. No, you're just in a hospital bed. And a packy doctor said,
"You know that you nearly died, but you're alright. You see, I'm trained for violence."
They fix me up, I look unreal. I'm made from iron, brass and steel. I look like RoboCop. I've got an aluminium cock. And the Neds all know that I'm built just like a truck. I'm tough as fuck. I love that sound of violence.